Welcome to Hardcore Garage. I've got some ideas again. Some things that I want to do. But I don't think this one's quite so stupid. So let's check out what plans I have for this morning. And get all these lights on. It's early, so I gotta kind of be quiet. But you're gonna like this, I think. Could it be? Could it be? Yeah, you know what that is. Y'all know what that is. We know what this is. Can't seem to get them to work sometimes. They're messing with me. Use the star pattern, children. Always tighten in a star pattern. You can use a screwdriver to help you hold this into a bind if you need to, by wedging it between two of the studs. All right, let's see what this is going to look like. Inquiring minds want to know. I feel really bad putting these on here because I didn't clean them first, and I should have. Yeah, you want to make sure you get that on there all the way, guys. Trust me. Come on. Here we go. Oh shit. You dumbass. on right now with the, it's too early in the morning. But I want to get them on tight enough I can drop the front of the car. Ain't gonna look nearly as good without some white walls or Vogues or something, but we gotta see what they look like. Needs white walls, don't she? Let's drop that bad boy down and see what happens. I don't know, I kind of dig it. With them back ones on there, I gotta take a little break though. I got overheated trying to be too quiet. Now I'm all sweaty. Wow, just wow. Need a good cleaning before we can pimp our ride. Oh, I'm still recording. We gotta see what she looks like all the way down, right? Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully it rides nice. Got her lifted up a little bit in the air. It's about ride height right there. Looks really good.
off in the morning when it's cold out here, but after it gets going, she'll run. That's one positive thing we've done by switching the carburetor over the winter, is definitely made it run better. I'm not sure what was wrong with the carburetor because I don't know jack about carburetors, but it definitely helped. And the overheating issue is kind of up and down. I thrown some cardboard in front of the radiator a couple of times because it didn't feel like it was even getting to temperature. You know, at 160 it was having a hard time maintaining that. We went back to the 185 thermostat and it still just kind of fluctuates. So I'm really curious to see what's going to happen come springtime and the temperature starts to rise up and we get this thing, you know, in a situation where we're in a drive-thru or in heavy traffic. See if she overheats. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video watching throwing the Daytons on the 64 Oldsmobile. It was real fun. It looks really good. We need to get some white walls on these things though. Y'all take it easy. Have a great weekend. Keep on trucking.